Heavy snowfall in the Drakensberg and southern KwaZulu-Natal overnight led to the closure of the N2. A long queue of vehicles, stretching for more than a kilometer, was seen waiting to continue their journey on Tuesday afternoon. This as authorities implemented a stop-and-go to allow for graders to remove snow from the road surface. Drivers and passengers were frustrated.
I don't know, because it happened last year. I think it was September. It was from Friday, Saturday. But fortunately today I've got water. I've got two liters of water and a little bit of food. So the problem is my passengers. That's my worry.
Authorities urged motorists to delay their trips to the Kokstad area.
He has activated the snowfall response measures. That is why you saw graders, removing snow. What he has said is that we must make sure that it doesn't accumulate to more than 30 centimeters in depth. And the team is working, efficiently. We've got Sandral working with us. We also have, Metro Police, traffic cops from other municipalities. We are in Herigola district.
Gale-force winds in southern KwaZulu-Natal uprooted trees, which blocked roads and also disrupted traffic. The provincial government says disaster management teams are assessing the damage and they remain on high alert. I'm Nanhlakani Pumakwaza for SABC News in Kokstad.